So I'm gonna hook up the road train now. I have the semi there and I've got to connect it to this dolly. So what I'm looking for here is to see if I'm kind of lined up with where that pin needs to go. Now I'm right on my marker, so I'm just going to jump out one last time, but if I keep coming on this angle, I'm going to hit that nicely. Make sure that our little marker's lined up, push that in, and then twist, pull that. Then we can turn the airlines on. All the lights are working. So now I've got all my air, I'm rolling, so that's good. I just need to do one last tug test. Pull my trailer brakes on. It pulls up really well and then it releases. So I know that all my pins are all in place, there's nothing